Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about financial functions. What is the meaning of PV, FV, PMT, rate and NPER? The key to using any of Excel's financial functions is to understand the terminology used by their arguments. Many of the most common financial functions such as PV, FV, PMT, rate and NPR. So what is the PV? PV is the present value, that is the principal amount of the annuity. PV is the present value, that is the principal amount of the annuity. Then what is FV? FV is the future value, that represents the principal plus interest, on the annuity. Then PMT. PMT is meaning is payment, is the payment made each period in the annuity. Then rate is the interest rate per period, Then NPER. NPER is the total number of payment periods, in the life of the annuity. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.